For the third and final experiment, I recreated the schematic in figure 2 of lab 12. For these switches, starting from the far left, we have the serial input, and then the shift state, and then the load state. And then on the right side, we have parallel inputs D0, D1, D2, and D3. The LEDs on the far left represent their respective switches, and the LEDs on the far right represent the state of the registers. And then last but not least, we have the push button to control the clock cycle. So the way this shift register works is that it has two modes, serial and parallel. Right now the shift and load signals are both off, so the register isn't accepting any inputs. Even if we set the serial input to 1, we don't see anything in the registers. But if we set the shift signal to 1, we can use the serial input like we normally would. So we can send 1, 2, 3, 4 bits, then turn it off, and then have it cycle through. We can also alternate and create a pattern, and then also have it cycle through. But then if we set the shift signal to 0 and the load signal to 1, we can use these 4 parallel inputs to directly load their bits into their respective registers. So for example, if I set D3 to 1 and D0 to 1, we can see that it shows up all at once in their respective registers. And then we can switch them around however we want. And that's about it.